The party wants us to go, definitely we'll go. But have some issues. Nanu Siddaramaiyavu matadidivi. We both have spoken. There are major issues which the parliament members has to take up in this session, because they are not supporting us either on the sugar cane or on Mekkejoda, whatever is there, maize issue and various other programs. Whatever they have promised, they are not committing to help the state, which we are bound to get the support from the central government. Other day, the Honorable Chief Minister met the Prime Minister also, has given a representation. Yesterday, Mr. Dinesh also has requested the Prime Minister on this issue. So we are going to ask our parliament members, don't waste your time. You are not helping the state government. You will have to go collectively. If you are interested in the interest of state, let us all join to go. And I could see that many of the central ministers were telling that we will be a part of the delegation. I will go. Fortunately, justice has been flown from the seat of justice. As far as Mekkejoda is concerned, we are very proud that we have got a good verdict, and the ball lies with the central government now. The CWC has to CWA has to give a decision on that issue. So we are planning to submit a detailed project report, or revise the project report. Connected to that, they have to support us on irrigation. They have to support us on all other activities, whatever there. Lot of financial sectors are due. Karnataka is a state, very important state in the country, where India can be seen through Karnataka and Bangalore. This is the state what we are going to do. We will deliver. So we might have to go to Delhi to apprise to the parliament members. So, 1 minute. If you are against, you can please. As far as the no confidence motion is concerned, let them do, because they need some time for the discussion. They will not get the time. There are some politicians, they feel that they can't discuss much. If no confidence motion is there, they can go elaborately. There will be no time for that. But let them take no confidence motion, or let them go any adjournment motion, or let them do whatever they want. As an opposition leader, opposition party, they are bound to take any route they want. As a ruling party, we are there. They are there to oppose us. We are there to give them the answer to the, not only to them, to the entire state and the country. We are capable of running the assembly and the government. We will do it.
Unity will continue.
The unity will continue. We are together. Myself and the President of the KPCC and Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, and myself are single. We are in the. You are united. You are united, and there is no differences between D.K. Shivakumar and myself.
ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಭಿನ್ನಾಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶಾಸಕರುಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಚಿವರುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ
ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. Listen to me. See, the High Command, whatever decision it takes, both of us will obey.
Sir, DK sir. Sir, DK sir. ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನ ಚರ್ಚೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡರೆ
ಸಿಎಂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸರ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನ ಚರ್ಚೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಏನಾದರೂ
ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ together.
Sir, can you clarify, is the 2.5 years agreement is there or not?
Yes.
2.5 years.
Whatever High Command tells.
So, is there agreement is there 2.5 years or not?
Whatever High Command tells, we will obey. You understood it or not? Yes. This is my reply to your question.
Sir, status quo till assembly is
No. See, We go together. There are no differences between me and DK Shivakumar. Against the election, assembly. We have worked out a strategy how to face the BJP and JDS. And face it. I don't know. They are telling that no confidence motion will be moved. It will also face it. Or adjournment motion, if they want to bring.
Sir,